Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Taichi RST644 Stealth winter gloves. Okay, the Stealth winter gloves retail for $89.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we never update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Sizing. I've got on a 2X right now, and they fit and feel as I would expect. I just got done doing another pair. They're $10 more. They're the RST645 carbon winter gloves. $10 more. I gotta tell you, while this isn't a bad pair of gloves, 100%, I am gonna reach in my pocket, pull out that other 10 spot if I'm shopping for a pair of short winter gloves, and I'm gonna go with the carbon. Let me break these down, and then I'll tell you why I feel that way. This one has a rubber knuckle protector underneath your textile outer. Right, we got some additional rubber protectors here on the knuckles and your fingers. We got some reflective inserts there. Cool screen printing there, I like that. Little grip panels here, little overlay. For protection in the palm area, we have, it's a hard protector with some Clarino over the top, a little memory foam there. Entry and exit is done here with Textile. They did use a gaiter right here, which is important, right? So that way you have protection from the wind and the colder weather. Touchscreen compatible in the index finger and the thumb. Little grip panels there where your hands touch the bars. Dry Master, windproof, waterproof with a little bit of insulation. The insulation in this glove feels similar, or maybe just a little bit less than that carbon pair. Now, why do I think the other pair is better? I felt the entry and the exit from the other pair was easier, as the opening felt just a little bit bigger. The other pair has a little carbon palm slider here, which in the event of a crash can really help to keep the glove together and protect you at a higher level. And I also feel that the carbon knuckle protector is a little more substantial than what this came with. And most importantly, feel is everything. When I slid those other gloves on, right out of the gate, I'm like, you know what, these things feel really good. They're gonna be pleasant to ride in, a lot of dexterity. This pair just feels maybe a little less form-fitting, a little bit more clunky. Is it a bad pair of gloves? No, it's not. I'm not really trying to bash these right now. I'm just saying, you know, with these videos, we're trying to help you choose the right piece of gear. And in my mind right now, if you're looking for a short pair of winter gloves from Taichi, the carbon 645s, $10 more, are the way to go. If you have any questions, leave those right here in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.